Hello friends, this is Prashant welcomes you to Webteron, where we provide complete software solution. In this video I will show you how you can upload video to Vimeo server using its API in PHP. In my other videos I already shown you how to connect Vimeo API or how you can live stream from Vimeo using OBS video encoder. So before start coding part, let me give you a brief overview of Vimeo. We all know Vimeo as a popular platform that provides video hosting services. It supports live streaming, video hosting, and inbuilt DRM feature, which I love the most. This COVID season has been unprecedented demand for video hosting services, as Vimeo also provide API to access its service programmatically. I already created a basic Vimeo account and already permitted to upload videos. To request permission to upload videos on a Vimeo server. So before I start coding, let me show you the official documentation of Vimeo API to upload videos. Let's move to its move to the API tab. Here you can find like getting started. The basics I already cover this in my other video, like how you can register your app and how you will set up your Vimeo SDK and how you will generate an access token to upload your videos or to make a request to Vimeo API. Before upload videos to Vimeo server, you need to enable upload access of Vimeo. So what first thing you have to do is you have to create your app at Vimeo and verify or request to, and after creating your app you need to request upload access. I already created a video on this topic, so how you will get enable your upload access to Vimeo server. To upload video, the second step is load the SDK. I am using PHP to uploading video, so you can find your language here. You can find your language API here, like Python and Node.js. I already integrated the PHP SDK in my Laravel. So the third step is to upload video. I will use this code to upload video in my project. To upload videos, we need a form, and I am not going to show you how to create a form in PHP, as it will take your time and I don't want to waste your time. So if you don't know how to create a form, so you can find other tutorial on it.